Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. PTSD is a mental health condition that may occur in people who have witnessed a traumatic event in life, such as death of loved one, natural disaster, accident, combat, victims of rape, or who have been threatened with death or serious injury. It can affect anyone, people of any ethnicity, race, culture, or it can affect at any age. Women are more likely to suffer from PTSD as compared to men. People who experience a traumatic event may have difficulty adjusting and coping, and if the symptoms last for about 6 months and interfere with day-to-day functioning, then you may have PTSD. Now, if we talk about the symptoms of PTSD, it includes flashbacks of trauma, that is, sudden memories in which traumatic experience is replayed in images or thoughts. Number 2 is feeling the intensity of trauma related pain with full intensity as it is reoccurring again. Number 3 is avoiding situation, places, feelings, thoughts, people related to the trauma. Number 4 is people with PTSD even complain about emotional anesthesia, means non-existence of feeling. They may also have symptoms of anxiety, excessive fear, exaggerated startle response, depersonalization, cut down from themselves or their environment, derealization, sense of unreality about self and the world around them. Dissociative amnesia, the inability to recall important aspects of traumatic experience, difficulty falling or staying asleep, outbursts of anger, difficulty concentrating, and hypervigilance. Traumatic stress disorder is acute if duration of symptoms lasts for 3 months, but is chronic if symptoms last for more than 3 months. Now let's talk about prevention and treatment for PTSD. In prevention strategies, government should provide special funding to mental health centers during disasters. Most widely intervention that is used is critical incident stress debriefing or CISD, a meeting offered within 1 or 3 days following a disaster. Research shows that structured interventions with acute stress disorder can lead to prevention of PTSD in futures. Therapies are conducted with aim of providing education on how to cope with trauma. Medication along with psychotherapies are proved best treatment for PTSD. Cognitive therapy, in which the aim of therapy is to change problematic thinking pattern of patient. It is often used along with exposure therapy. Exposure therapy. It is especially helpful for flashbacks and nightmares related to trauma. In this, patient is also allowed to re-enter in the setting where he experienced traumatic event. Medications such as antidepressants, anti-anxiety drugs are used to treat PTSD widely. If you have noticed any of the mentioned symptoms in you or in your loved ones, so don't need to worry. Just go to your therapist and talk about your symptoms and take therapy and along with medication. This was our today's video, so don't forget to like, share and to subscribe our channel.